surprise for you. Yes.
What is it?
You want to see it?
Sure.
Follow me. Hey, Liv. Don't look. You want to see what I made for mommy?
No?
You don't want to see what I made for mommy?
I do.
Oh. You want to see what I made?
Ooh, look. Look what it is, look. Look.
See if it works.
Let's see. Take it off. Hold on, Liv. Did you take it out of that one? No, watch. You gotta do this.
Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. Is it working?
Hold on, confidential. Yes, charging.
You good?
I mean, it's plugged in. There it is.
Oh. Sweet.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah, thank you. How long did that take to print?
3 hours.
No. Oh. We should spray paint it gold.
Well, if you like it, I need to like actually glue it in the back because I just have it taped right now.
Oh yeah.
Because if you,
Well, it should stand up on its own, huh?
it does when you put the watch on. It's a little heavy otherwise.
Oh, okay. So, has to be on. And then it stands up.
Yeah. But I can still figure out how to get it to stand up like without the watch.
Yeah. Maybe you can make a bigger one like this and do the phone.
Yeah. Just add like a little more at the bottom. Kind of even out the weight on it.
Yeah, that's fine. Looks good. Thank you. Looks good.